In 2024, I completed my bachelor's in automation and robotics engineering, and from then, I'm working as a robotics engineer. The thing is, it's not a very long time. I'm not a very expert person in robotics, but as far as I know, how I became a robotics engineer, that's what I'm going to share in this particular video. And this is going to be the honest video, not bluffing and all those things. So, thanks for watching all the videos that I have made before. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So, how I became a robotics engineer? The simple answer is everyone knows that we have to give some competitive exams in India. So I just gave them. The vision was clear that later on I joined the bachelor's college. You can watch my previous videos, and I started the automation and robotics engineering. This is how it went. That's it. So no, that's not going to happen. I will tell the journey. So after taking admission, I explored more things. I got into the technical stuff. I got into the non-technical stuff, and I figured out, okay, this is how I can work on certain projects. This is how I can work upon my skills, and then I just graduated as a robotics engineer. So this is a normal journey. This is not very something, what can I say, different. That might be different. I worked as a freelancer as well. I did many things during my graduation, means in terms of grinding, I am saying. So I not only focused upon the robotics side, trust me guys, I focused on the technical side of robotics in terms of exploring. Means I tried many things in the technical side to figure out what I am good at. This is the only thing which I focused. That's it. Means to focus on what I am good at. That's it. That's what it took. It might sound very simple. It might sound, okay, Aryan, what you are talking about. Is this the thing that we have to focus? We don't have to focus on any technical stack. I don't know what is your way of working, but my way of working is to figure out what I like to do, what I am good at. That's what I think. This is how it goes. And also considering your situations. In my bachelor's, my situation was also that I have to manage my expenses. So I had to focus on freelancing as well. So that might be not your case, or else that might be your case. So that's what I said. Consider your situations as well. So I just try to focus on what I want to do, what I like to do, what I'm good at. Even I'm good at robotics only 50%, 40%, that's fine. At least I like it 50%. Means this is just an example. Maybe I like it 90% or else even 100%. That's your case. Means that's your perspective. You have to figure out what you want to do, what you like to do, what you are good at. I think there is nothing more than this to figure out that what you are good at. So that's my secret thing. If you ask what's your secret thing, then this is the secret thing. I just try to figure out what I like to do, what I'm good at. That's it. I will just keep asking. If you just keep asking these questions, you will try more things. Okay, I'm not understanding this. Okay, I can try this and try that. Means likewise. But yeah, coming to the technical side, means how I became a robotics engineer. Of course, I focused on the technical side of robotics as well. Means understanding the fundamentals of it. I focused on the software side of robotics, means the Python programming, C++ programming, and then I tried to build some projects during my bachelor's. You can watch my bachelor's videos as well. You can, if you just browse on the channel, you will get those old videos. Those are really good. If you are in your college, you can just watch them. And then later on, after that, I was showcasing my work on LinkedIn as well. Means whatever I'm trying to build, I just try to showcase on LinkedIn. And I was just taking initiatives. Means, okay, I'm able to build a project, then I can approach the companies, but I never got an internship. That's the other part. But I was just trying myself. And then I started to conduct workshops in different colleges. So this gave me good exposure to connect with the students, to connect with the professors as well. So till date, I have trained a lot of students. Even I have trained the professors as well. So this gave me good experience, good exposure, and also a kind of broad perspective that it is not only about technical, it is about how you think a field can be. Means if you are learning about robotics, Don't keep only one perspective that I will join a company, then I will do the robotics programming. That is good, you have to think that perspective. I'm not saying, please don't get me wrong, but yeah, you have to focus on that, but also keep your mind open. What can be the possibilities? We never know what will happen, that is for sure. But that's why just be open minded, and you might be go for the technical side, you might be go for some other side as well, that might be education or else anything that you like in general. But yeah, this is how I became a robotics engineer. Means just going through the college, but also focusing on my skill development. This is the major thing. Everyone knows what happens in colleges, so I focused on my self development, the means skill development, self development in terms of personality. Then I also tried to focus how to improve my technical skills as well. Whatever I'm knowing in my bachelor's, how I can know better than that, then building the projects, showcasing them, and just keep trying in the right direction. That's what I did. Means I also searched for the people who are doing good in robotics, and I saw what they are doing, what is the market trend, and based on that I was acting. So this is also one of the thing. And that's it. This might not be very attractive journey, but yeah, this is what it looked like. Okay, if you want more things that what I did in my bachelor's, you can watch the previous videos. I'm again repeating that, but yeah, if you want, you can watch that. Thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Thanks a lot. Bye.